Everyone, it's Ryan and welcome back to my channel. So, doing a new series of videos for tutorials within Streamlabs, tutorials just on various things. So, I've seen a few people asking me on my stream chat in Twitch, asking how to add transitions or how did I do that, how did I do this. So I'm doing a tutorial video on adding transitions onto your streams. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet. If you do like the video, give me a like. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to know. If you do have any questions or anything, private message me on my social medias. Again, they're in the description below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button as well. It's all greatly appreciated as well. Very, very much. And I do have a Discord server. You want an invite to it, again, private message me. I'll get an invite link out to you. Okay, so I'm going to keep it short, keep it sweet. I'm recording this on Streamlabs, so you might see background of Streamlabs as well. Here we go, guys. Okay, so first things first, here is I need to pack. So here is a Streamlabs pack that I got. Now this is obviously various transitions. I will show you a couple and you can see how these are made and what people have done. But it's good. You can just obviously switch the scenes and go over to something else. They're quick, they're simple. It's something different. I know a lot of people don't use transitions on their streams, but they can be quite effective. So adding one in, okay, here I do have two set up, so I'll get rid of this one. Okay, so this is the one that I have pre-set up. So if I was to switch up to here, it would fade out like that. Again, coming back, it's fading like that. So adding one in, you press the cog over here on your scenes. Add transition. Okay, so you need to select the type. So these are all the various transitions you can get. The ones I have are stinger transitions. So of course we select stinger. We'll just call this okay. So time in milliseconds. Not a massive issue. So I didn't actually change any of this before, but you just then browse. And then it will bring up obviously your folder. We will add in this one and then press done. It is as simple as that. Of course, it doesn't select it automatically, so you do need to select the transition. Done. That's it. You've added transition straight onto a new stream. Can be added in. Do that, and there we go. Now, sometimes you might want to play with them. So of course, as you see, I'm going to change it again here. You catch the new scene before it's gone over. Sometimes you'll want it to come straight over, and as it comes back out straight, you do need to play with the timings for that. Of course, I will do another tutorial on that, but this is just adding the transitions. It's just pretty much messing with the seconds. So I'll be messing with these timings here. So I'll tell you what, we'll put 5 in. I personally don't play with these. Not too much of an issue for myself. I don't use them too much. But again, as you can see, it's closer. So I'll tell you what, we'll do 20. That should be about right. Take a little time to get it right. But I think once you do, should be all right. And I just realized it's in milliseconds, not seconds. Silly me, eh? Feel like, but as you can see anyway, that's how you add in a transition in. Like I said, they look good, they're effective, and it's different. Not many people use them. But sometimes when you're just doing a just chatting screen, a few things that I've done. So a friend of mine done a stream intro for me, and I want to do one for a be right back sort of thing, so I can have the be right back in the corner. Plan to do something along the lines with that and create more with all my clips, just to keep people there, and that's what you want to do. Especially with your be right back screens, you don't want them hanging, because it's, if you're going to be gone for say half an hour, and it's just, they just sit there, people are going to go, because obviously they're not talking to you unless they're having conversations with other followers. But that's pretty much the video, guys. Okay, that's how you add a transition. That's the packs that I've got. If you did like it, please leave us a like. If it helped you out, let me know. If you do want to know more or have any questions, drop me a message. We will try and get help with you. And guys, good luck with your streaming, and I stream most days on twitch.tv/amplify. XID amplify, can't even get me on link right, but it's all in the description below. Drop me a follow across my socials. Thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned for more. Hit that subscribe as well. Thanks, guys.